Hey, this is Eric with TechnoRV, and in this information video, I'm going to show you how to use the anti-theft feature on the TST 507 tire pressure monitoring system cap sensor. And don't forget that you can buy complete kits, individual sensors, and even battery change kits at TechnoRV.com. Okay, so I want to show you how the anti-theft feature works for the cap sensor and just show you how to put a cap sensor onto a valve stem. This is my tow vehicle here. It's a 4-door Jeep Wrangler. This is the cap sensor, and this is the anti-theft tool that you will get with your kit. And the tool just slips right around the cap sensor, just like that. And then you use this to put it onto the valve stem. Now, as you start spinning, you'll start to hear a little puff of air. There it goes. And then you just keep on turning right past that. And then you just snug it up. Not super tight, but it's on there. And then if somebody tries to take this off of the valve stem without this tool, then it will just spin. You can't get it off. So very nice feature there. And then to take it off, you'll just get your tool and you will unscrew it off of the valve stem like so. Now, in another video, I show you how to remove the anti-theft feature from this cap sensor. So you can go watch that. And whenever you remove the anti-theft feature, you're left with the sensor that's inside of this outer shell. So if you wanted to do that, it makes the sensor a little bit smaller, as you can see. And then you can just put it onto the valve stem without the tool. Again, you'll hear the puff of air, you screw it right past that. And then that's what that looks like without the anti-theft measure. But again, if somebody comes up to take that off, they can take it right off. And that is how you use the anti-theft feature of the TST 507 cap sensor.